Morning everyone, welcome to my channel and thank you for subscribing. If you're not a subscriber, what are you still waiting for? Join the family. In today's project I'm going to show you how I made this cape sleeve for my dress that I wore to the wedding. Thanks for watching. I have already sewed the dress, so I'll only show you how to attach the sleeve. So I'm taking out 3 inches from the armpit. I'm remaining with 4 inches. I'm using tulle fabric for this project, so I'm just folding it in half or folding it into 2. So you can take any measurement you want. So I'm marking that 4 inch. So if you're using a different kind of fabric, please add your allowance, a folding allowance, because I'm using tulle fabric. I'm not going to hem it. So you go down 2 inch and then you curve. From that curve, then you can take any shape that you want. As for me, I would like to take the triangle shape. Use the first leaf to cut the second. Notch the middle and then attach the right side of the sleeve and the right side of the dress has to face each other, and then you will pin until the 3 inch mark that you made at the beginning. Then you sew. So you will hem the remaining part. I'm using beads to decorate my sleeve. That's optional. You can do it if you like, or you can use some other kind of decorations. So I'm just attaching them with needle and thread. So here is my finished dress with my cape sleeve. So we'll see how it looks on me.